Guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be trading for...
I made a huge mistake. At least it was only a little bit. I didn't waste too much money. Okay, I'm gonna...
Today, I'm going to be trading for 500 gems. I accidentally joined my friend. Catnap.
I hope I didn't place it too late. Alright, come on. Play. Yes. Okay. Alright, this might have been a bad idea, guys. I placed it way too late. Well,
Catnap. Catnap got that yacht. Hey, I'm Catnap. Why you copying me? I'm Catnap. What the fuck? This guy is literally impersonating me.
Shut up, nigger.
I'm Catnap. What the fuck do you mean? I'm Catnap. Fuck you just say, nigga. My voice is cringy.
Okay, well, let me start selling these, and then I'm gonna get even more units. Look at this, even more, and then I'll place another one, even more power, sell another one, get even more power, which are in range, sell this one, get even more power, and all the power in the world. Alright, sell this one, and get even more power. Hopefully that's in range. Okay, it is in range. And you know what? I'm gonna sell my green laser. I usually don't do this. I like keeping him because he's kind of cool and slow. I'm gonna sell him for even more power. Look at this, I just destroyed everything. Dude. Okay, so I was also wrong about this. It caps at 500. You can't go over 500. But it's infinite. As you guys can see, this is kind of overpowered. Like, this is going crazy. Look at this guy, he had no chance. He literally got destroyed. But now we gotta try this.